boys and girls, we're going to work with the number 9 again today. Practicing how to write the number 9, recognizing the number 9. So you should have the page that has a 3.8 at the top with some blue cubes and some ducks. All right, our directions say count and tell how many cubes you see. So we need to touch them and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to trace the number 9. I'm going to use a marker so you can see it. You should be using a pencil. Our poem says a loop and a line. Remember I said they slant theirs a little bit. I usually do mine kind of straight. But that's okay since we're just tracing it. A loop and a line. That's the way to make a 9. Next we're going to count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to trace the word 9 just for you to practice it. It starts with the letter N. N, like noisy nose. N, I, N, E. And all these number words will be sight words next year when you are in first grade. So we're just practicing them this year. Turn your page and fold it when you are finished. There should be a red apple at the top, and we are back at the fair looking for sets of 9. All right, so we'll look together, and then if I miss any, you can send me a message. All right, let's start with the words at the top, counting the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're looking for 9, so do not circle that. Let's count the teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Circle those teddy bears. I'm going to circle with a crayon so I can see it. And let's count the little pinwheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's check the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to count again to make sure I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So circle those ducks. There are 9 of them. Let's count these little rings the boy's using for the ring toss. Let's count the ones on the stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It's hard to count some of these things that are kind of close together. All right, we know there's not 9 people. There's not 9 of anything on the pond. There's not 9 of anything in the sky or on the ground. That is all I see. If you find something that I missed, you can send me a message, and I'll let you all know during a morning meeting. Sometimes you all catch things that I miss. All right, pick up your page and flip it. You're going to do this page by yourself, and I will check it when you bring it back. You're going to trace the number 9, a loop and a line. That's the way to make a 9. Then you are going to count the things in each box and write the number. So you're going to count these orange tickets and write the number. Count the pink tickets and write the number. Count the green ones, write the number. Count the purple ones and write the number. On the back, you're going to look at each set, circle the ones that have 9 in them. Then down at the bottom, they want you to draw 9 of something and write the number. I was checking the directions before I told you. So up here, count the teddy bears. Any sets that have 9, circle them. Down here by the yellow sun, draw 9 of something and write the number 9. A loop and a line. That's the way to make a 9. Our right, boys and girls, have a great day. If you need any help, please send me a message or call me. I'll see you soon.